Beautiful people near and far, my king and my queens. Happy and blessed Friday to each and every one of you. Guys, I'm back in the kitchen with another quick and healthy recipe. What I'm about to share with you guys. This recipe is carrot and beetroot, and it's a punch, and this punch is very good. So guys, I'm gonna get straight into the video. But before I explain everything what I'm about to do, I just want to shout this beautiful lady out. So I'm just gonna put my glasses on and I'm gonna just give her a shout out and ask you guys to go visit her. She's based in Leeds Market and she's very friendly. So guys, could you please go and support her and show her some love. It's all about caring and sharing. So guys, it's called Jamaican Style Creations, and the things what she does and the menu: ackee and saltfish, jerk chicken, curry goat, oxtail, salt mackerel, stew chicken, fried chicken, BBQ fried chicken, curry chicken, fried rice, jerk chicken. And for the side dish is plantain, macaroni cheese, steamed vegetables, saltfish fritters, and festivals. And she also does a lot of natural homemade juice. So guys, please check her out. Show her some love and support her for me, please. Thank you all so much. And I'm just going to get straight into my video now. Yeah, so for this carrot and beet punch, I'll be using strongback vanilla nutriment. I'll be also using Dragon Stout, put it back. Right? But guys, if you don't drink alcohol, you can go ahead and make this sponge and skip the Dragon Stout and use malt, in super malt instead. Okay? So I'm just going to wash my hands now and I'm going to slice up all these stuff. So guys, just sit back, relax, and just enjoy what I'm doing. Okay? So right here, I've already got 2 beets. Well, I've already simply removed the skin. And I save one. So I'm going to simply remove the skin from this one. And all my fruits are already, vegetables are already washed. They're all clean. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to slice straight into my beets. Guys, beetroot is very good. It's really good. It can lower your blood pressure. It's also good to cleanse your whole body, to cleanse your liver, your heart, everything, all your organs. It's really good. If someone requested this, I've already uploaded a video showing you guys how to make beetroot juice. So now I am doing the punch. So this punch is very powerful, and this punch is good to build up your body, especially if you do hard work. So guys, make this sponge at home for your husband if you have one, for your boyfriend, for your fiancé, and make it for yourself. Most of all, make it for yourself, okay? Only give it to them if you think they deserve it. If they don't deserve it, guys, do not make this sponge for them, because this sponge is what you call strong back punch. Yes, man, strong back punch. This a punch you full you up with stamina Stamina in your body, stamina in your body. So just make the sponge for who you love, you know, and help build up the body. Yeah. So I'm gonna go straight in now with my beets. And then I'm gonna give you a little stain, but don't worry about that because give it a good wash and it'll soon disappear, okay? So I'm gonna go start doing my carrots now. So I'm cutting my carrots now. The carrot is a bit tough, so when you're doing your carrots, make the slices as thin and small as possible so that it can be easy to blend. And I'm using 3 carrots. Guys, do not peel your carrots. Do not scrape your carrots. Just give your carrot a really, really good wash because all the vitamins and minerals are right here in the skin. Because a lot of people don't know that, and what they do, they peel the carrot or they scrape it. And that's the best bit of a carrot. So all you have to do is just simply remove that bit, give your carrot a really good wash like I've said, and you're good to go. Because our body really needs as much vitamins and mineral as possible. And guys, like I've said in my videos, a lot of us live a very, very busy lifestyle. And sometimes we often forget to take care of our body. But guys, please, please make some time and take care of your body. Because you need to look good and you need to feel good. My body is looking good, good, good. My body is looking good, good, good. Rosy body hot, hot, hot. Rosy body hot, hot, hot. Plus Detox. You know what I mean? Me hot, you know, me hot girl. Yeah, man, hot girl plus Detox. So guys, I want you to all looking good just like me. So that's why I'm sharing my recipe, tips, and idea with you guys because I love and appreciate each and every one of you so much because it's your love what helped me to reach this far. You guys take your time out to like, share, subscribe and support me. So guys, I'm telling you, I really, really love and appreciate each and every one of you. So I am now gonna go straight in with my carrots. And then I've got a measuring jug here full of water. So I am gonna go straight in with my water. I'm gonna add enough water to cover my beets and my carrots. Guys, do not put a lot of water. So I'm just gonna leave it at that amount, just enough to cover it. So I've still got some water left. And then I'm gonna now put on my cover. I'm gonna switch my blender on and I am now ready for blending. Guys, look at that. It's looking really, really, really colorful. Very, very colorful. So I'm now going to switch my blender off. So now switch my blender off. And I'm going to switch it off also from the main. And then I'm going to simply remove it. And then I am going to open and have a look. Guys, look at that. Just take a good look at that, guys. That look really rich, creamy, and healthy. So I'm now going to start my straining. So look, wow. So guys, you don't want a lot of water because you don't want it to be runny. You want it to be rich, thick, and looking really healthy, just like mine. Guys, if you don't know how good carrot and beets are and the benefit what you get from it, just do a quick research and it will explain everything to you. Guys, here in England, the weather is very, very nice. The sun is shining, the bird is singing, and it's just a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Yes, it's really nice out there. Guys, I've just strained my beets and my carrots. Look guys, look how creamy, look how nice it look. But I'm gonna run it through my strainer once more just to make sure that all the bits are out before I started doing my sweetening. Okay, so I'm gonna use a different strainer. This one is really, really neat and it's small. The holes are really close. So this one will get rid of all the bits. Look at that guys, just run straight through. So when you're making the sponge, it's best to strain it twice. Just to make sure, because you don't want to choke on bits. Just to make sure it's all, everything is out. So guys, all the bits are out, my beautiful people. So I am now going to start my sweetening process. I am not going to use the super malt in the sponge. I only buy the super malt just to let you know that if you don't drink alcohol, go ahead and use super malt. So I'm going to leave the super malt out and I'm going to go straight in with my Jagan Stout, Jamaica Original Jagan Stout. Put it back. So this stout is for when you lose weight, your body feel weak and run down and tired and exhausted, then reach out to this Jagan Stout and it will put back the energy, what you need in your body. So I'm going straight in now. Then I'm going to give this a good shake. And look at what this says again, guys. Like I said, this says strong back. You can get it in vanilla, you can get it in peanuts. There's a lot of different flavors. But I love vanilla, so I chose to buy vanilla. Strong back. And then I'm gonna go straight in with my condensed milk. I'm not gonna use all of this condensed milk because I don't like, you know, stuff when it's too sweet. So the sweetening is entirely up to your taste. So you can go ahead and sweeten it to suit you, okay? So look guys, this milk still leave and I'm just gonna give it a good stir so that I can make sure all the thing combined together. Wow, this sponge smell really, really good. Really, really good, guys. This is one of my sister favorite sponge. My sister in Jamaica, Sister Dale, big up your good clean self, no one and only sister. Love you to the max. It's my sister who teach me how to make this sponge. She always make this sponge once a week. You can enjoy the sponge over ice, or you can put it on the fridge to chill. It's really, really nice, guys. Trust me, it's really nice. So I am now gonna go in with my spice. So I'm using a bit of mixed spice, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm gonna go in with my vanilla. So I'm gonna use my little teaspoon here. I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna also go in with a bit of nutmeg. Like I've already mentioned in my video, you can get nutmeg in the powder as well as the whole nutmeg. So it's entirely up to you if you want to buy the powder, which is a lot easier to use, or you want to use the whole nutmeg. It's entirely up to you. So I'm going to grate a bit of nutmeg in my sponge. Just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to keep stirring, 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 stirring. Yes. Making sure everything mix out and combine together. Stirring, stirring. So guys, I'm just going to have a quick taste to see if this sponge need any more milk. So I'm going to have a quick taste. Wow. Wow, this is perfect. Oh my God, this sponge is nice. Wow, it is absolutely beautiful. So I am going to have a glass right now to help boost up my body. Guys, I am having this nice, delicious sponge served over ice. Right, so like I said, you can either leave it in the fridge to chill, or you can serve it over ice. I'm serving mine over ice. I can't wait to get straight into this sponge. And then guys, I'll just give you my honest opinion on how this sponge tastes. So my beautiful people, I'm gonna have a taste right now. Look at that, guy. Look at that, my beautiful people, looking really, really rich, healthy. So let's get this is good. This tastes so, so good. Wow. Oh my God. No, I can't stop drinking. Wow. Oh, this is so, so nice. Honestly, I'm not one for complimenting myself, but trust me, this sponge is really, really nice. Once you started drinking, you don't want to stop. Wow, beautiful. So guys, please try this recipe out at home. Share with your family, your friends, even your next door neighbor. And if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And if you are new to my channel, I welcome you all to my channel. Please join in with my YouTube family and friends and just enjoy all my videos what I uploaded. And there's a lot more videos coming your way soon, so please stay tuned. See you in my next one. Enough love, enough respect. Enjoy your weekend. Mwah, mwah, mwah.